Go back. Settle back. Settle back. Lord, cross and run away. Heads up. Heads up. What's up? What goes? Body, body, head. What? Good. There you go. There you go.
Kick him off. Kick him off. Kick him off. Kick him off.
Yeah. Keep it going. Keep it going. Watch your weight. Boy, there it is. Watch your weight. Watch for the guillotine here. Watch for the guillotine. Flatten him out, Jordan. Pull him away from the fence. Pull him away from the fence. Take your time here. Jordan, I want a body line. Let's work for a body line. Jordan, pressure here. Pressure. Lock loose here. Watch your pass. I'm working. Get your head out. Get your head out good. Lock up. Lock your head, Jordan. Watch the arm off the fence. Try to isolate your arm, Jordan. Punches. Punches. Punch. Punch. Circle. Pressure, pressure, pressure.
Two locations in Irmo and Lexington. And we have your winner. They call him the Wuss, Jordan Weeks.
Keith the Rockstar Richardson. I'm here with Jordan Weeks. You had a great victory tonight. Decision. You won every round. Tell us a little bit about it.
I really wanted a submission victory because Josh Egan's gave me my blue belt a while back, so I really wanted to show off my jiu-jitsu skills. But he had some really good defense, so I just was able to use some control, which Egan's also worked with me a ton on. So I got to use that. I thought I did fairly good.
All right. Now your nickname is the Wuss. How did you get that nickname?
My head trainer, Josh Egan, once again, he gave it to me. He told me most of the people think I'm one of the tougher guys, so he started calling me the Wuss. Kind of I guess most fighters want a really tough nickname. I kind of went the other way on that. So. And then nobody wants to lose somebody called the Wuss. So.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's one of those ironic things. Anybody that you'd like to thank for this fight?
Absolutely. Josh Egan, Ferdinando Serra, they're two of my top MMA coaches. Justin Ray at Arena Jiu-Jitsu, great Jiu-Jitsu. Nick Rodriguez and Tor Summit. I really haven't been able to see him lately. I didn't really use any striking, but he's a great Muay Thai instructor. There's a ton of names. Charles Nutt, I used to work with him all the time. There's a ton more people. I just thank God, most of all. That's first and foremost, but I'm sure I'll forget a ton of people right now.
Let's bring him to the red
Great night, great victory. Awesome performance, man.